Welcome, everyone. Want to track down your marketing campaign's performance and measure success? Today, we will show you how to do that effortlessly from your WordPress dashboard. Here is our newly launched campaign deal page. We want to track the performance of this. For a starter, copy the URL from the website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. We will track the marketing campaign performance with the trending link management plugin, BetterLinks. Get both the free and pro versions for your site. From BetterLinks, click Add New Category, type the name of your category and click Submit. Next, click the plus icon under the category, then enter the campaign title, add a description, choose the temporary redirect type, paste the target URL you copied earlier, customize the shortened URL and copy the shortened link, then click the Publish button. After publishing, you are all set to promote it. To see the campaign performance of your newly created campaign, click Analytics. In the Analytics section, you can view data such as analytics of different clicks, top devices and top browsers. Below that, you will find details like link name, shortened URL, target URL, total clicks, unique clicks and campaign actions. When you click on the details under the Actions section, you will see information including the browser, IP address, timestamp, refer, parameters, operating system and device used in your campaign. That is how you can track your marketing campaign's performance smoothly using BetterLinks. Like, share and subscribe us for more.